morning, guys. Good morning. Muy buenos días por la mañana. Here we are doing a cleanup, flower bed cleanup. We're gonna clean all these right here. Clean this right here. I'll clean that over there. This right here. All these flower beds. Make them look nice. Trim right here. We're gonna do some trimming. Trim these lower branches right here. Make it look nice, guys. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys. And we also want to trim that right there. It's a palm tree. And clean all the flower beds, the leaves, this right here. And then we're going to put some topsoil. I'm not topsoil. We're going to put some mushroom. We got Juan in the house. Saludos, Juanillo. ¿Cómo vamos, pa? ¿Todo bien?
¿Todo bien?
Y acuérdense, raza, sigan a Juan ahí en su cuenta de TikTok y en su cuenta de Facebook, ¿verdad, Juan? ¿Cómo te encuentras? Como Juan Rivera. Juan Rivera, raza.
Rivera.
Ahí lo ven. Va a estar una motociclista, una moto allí, porque él es un biker para toda la raza bikera que quieran juntarse con Juan. Ahí está. Búsquenlo. ¿Ya?
Ya. Ahí después dar la vuelta.
Ahí,
A diciembre.
en diciembre va a ir para Matamoros, Tamaulipas, ¿verdad?
Tenemos una moto.
El que quiera acompañarlo.
A ver si me la entregan esta semana a la otra.
Es todo.
Para andar en ella.
Alright, guys. Vamos a darle. Chavo por allá, pa. Alright, guys, so right here, I'm going to trim this right here. Cut these branches. These are touching the roof. We're going to cut these lower branches. But also first, I'm going to blow. There's a lot of leaves right here. Need to blow them down. I gotta be very careful because it's kind of wet up in here. Run out of gas, guys. I ran out of gas. Come on, baby. I still problem with the blower, but just a little bit of gas. All right, so I blew most of the leaves right here. So yeah, it was really bad. So I just wanted to clear some of these leaves. That way it won't be so slippery. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cutting some of these branches that are touching the roof. Get it taken care of. Let's get it done. Where you at? Oh, done. O tráemelo, tráelo para arriba de una vez, chainsaw. Ahorita te llevas la agencia blower y le llenas de gas. Y cuando acabe de cortar las ramas me las traes. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys remember how low these branches were. And look at that, we took them off the roof. It looks much clearer on the roof. We brought some of all these branches that were close to here. We trimmed them down. And I just got these to go. You see how these start touching the roof? We gotta make them clear. We're getting there. And I'm glad it's not too sunny. We got cloudy weather right now. It's cool right now. The weather is around 65 degrees. Very nice weather to be working right now. Yes, you. Alright guys, so this is how we're looking like. Much cleaner. We're gonna put some blanket and then we're gonna put some those liriopes and start cutting them and put some mulch, not mulch, some compost soil. Está Juanito. Where's Juan? Right guys, look at that. We're planting this beautiful liriopes. I had this left from another job. So the client was asking me if I had any plants available. I told her I had this and some nandinas and some I don't know how the other calls, but we're gonna plant those too. And right here we're just gonna put some compost soil, plant this and some compost soil. She don't really like mulch, and she just likes compost soil and leaves. Whenever we mulch leaves, she likes us to put them in here. She likes, like vitamins for the plants. Yes, she. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Acá andamos con Juan del Corajes. ¿Es Juan del Corajes, verdad, pa?
¿Mande?
Juan del Corajes. Ya la camisa que hice. You mad, bro? Y nomás la cara tienes, ¿verdad? ¿Verdad, Juan? Yeah, he only has his face like he's angry or mad, but he's alright. Ya lleva todo el día con esas hojas, no puedo acabar, Juan. ¿Qué onda, pa?
¿Por qué no grabo aquí?
Sí, ya. Oye, ya lleva chingos de jale el Juan. Como que así ya es quitó el lonche de perdido. ¿Verdad, pa? Ya, son todas estas bolsas, all these bags. And then he molió muchas. Y limpió todas las flower beds. Ahí está Juan. No te dicen Juan por nada, ¿verdad? No te dicen Juan yardas por nada, Juan. Yeah, look at that. We just put in some compost soil. We planted this right here. I just need to put some more soil around it. You got Isaac over there spreading the compost. We got a palm tree, guys, all crooked. We trim it. We trim some of those old bad branches, palms, and we also trim on top of the house. It was really bad. It was really a lot of limbs, branches hitting the roof, and the owner was kind of wanted to clean it up. As you can see right there, nothing is touching the roof, and right here. It was real bad, a lot of leaves. We got it cleaned out. Yeah, we get in there. A ver, Juan, ¿qué pasó? ¿Por qué estás enojado? ¿Quién perdió? Ya te dije que te cambies mejor a la América, Juan.
No, no.
Para que te pongas una camiseta rosita de la América. Yeah, so Juan's kind of mad because his soccer team lost yesterday. ¿Contra quién perdieron, Juan? Perdieron contra Oaxaca. ¿Quién? No te quieres ni acordar.
Pero perdimos bien feo, man. Y luego en casa.
No, hombre. Contra Toluca. You mad, bro?
Hijo de su, el América sí ya pasó. No, hombre, esos güeyes andan bien bravos. Más aquí están en los, porque no digan que no les miente.
Ahí está.
América sí anda bien bravo, man.
No, hombre.
Puro billete, man. Me dice más que pagaron para hacerse campeones este año.
Con billete baila el perro, pues ya sabes.
Por eso el América no, hombre. Lo bueno que una vez lo descalificaron, parece contra Atlas, que andaban robándoles.
¿O sí?
Que habían tenido 3 puntos, se los quitaron, se los dieron a Atlas. Por primera vez se habían dado cuenta que están robando el América. Ay, que otra vez.
¿Para Luciana?
¿Sí?
Hijo de su. Come on, guys, look at that, guys. Juan perdió el candado, ¿va, Juan? Again.
Estamos empatados.
You got it, Isaac. Fuiste tú, Juan. ¿Quién lo perdió? Yeah, guys, so we lost already two logs. Thank you, guys. We always have logs for my waders, streamers. And we only got 2 left. Gracias, Juan. Come on, Juan. ¿Me debes unas, qué? ¿Debes una carne asada, Juan?
Pero ¿cómo es que hasta diciembre lo voy a pagar?
Hicimos una apuesta que el que perdiera los condados iba a comprar una carne. Oh.
Que como no traigo mi llave, y siempre me lo traigo en la bolsa.